Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see create an AI agent for occasion management services, cakes, flowers and surprise bookings. So I am running this business and I receive a lot of query from the customers. I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time, and that's why I've completely automated this entire process using Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of Pabbly Chatflow, I have created this AI agent, and whenever a user sends me any message based on the query which they have sent to me, a reply is automatically sent to them. Now, if you want to learn a step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. So welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how I have created this AI agent which has automated all my WhatsApp conversation using Pabbly Chatflow. First, we are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'll send a message like, which package is best for an anniversary? I'm going to send this message. Now here, if I receive the reply, then this is going to show us the AI agent which we have created using Pabbly Chatflow is working fine. So here it has sent me, for an anniversary, the romantic setup package is a great choice. It includes flower petals, candles, balloon decor, a small bouquet. This package is designed to create a romantic atmosphere, making it perfect for celebrating anniversary. If you are looking for something more elaborate, you might also consider the luxury experience package, which offer custom themed decor, cake, flowers, gifts, and a dedicated setup team. Let me know if you need more details or assistance with booking. I'm here to help. I'm going to set another question like, do you have something under 5,000? Let's wait for the response. So here it has sent me, yes, for under 5,000 you can choose the romantic setup package for rupees 4,999, which includes flower petals, candle, balloon decor, a small bouquet. This is perfect for anniversary and create a lovely romantic atmosphere. I'm going to ask the last question, can I get midnight cake delivery? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply here. Yes, we offer midnight cake delivery in major city areas. Just make sure to place your order before the specified time to ensure it arrives at midnight. If you need more details or wish to place an order, let me know. So this is how my AI agent is working, and I have already automated all my WhatsApp conversation using this. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this AI agent and automate your WhatsApp conversation, then let's start creating this from the scratch. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can create an AI agent which can automate all our WhatsApp conversation for occasion management service business. And for this, we are going to create this using Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in. And if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. And this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 credits and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Now once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that too forever. Now here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Chatflow access now, and it will take me towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here I can see all the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect, which is a preferred method, or you can use a manual token to connect your Pabbly Chatflow to your WhatsApp. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, the detailed video is available in the description. You can check that out. And also on the left hand side, we have very most important features. The detailed video of all these features are available in the description. You can check that out. To create this AI agent, on the left hand side, we have this option of AI assistant. Let's open this. Here I landed towards this AI assistant page. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, and the inactive AI assistant. To create a new AI assistant, you simply have to click on this add AI assistant, and let's name this as occasion management services, and then you simply have to click on this add AI assistant. Here we have landed towards this page. On the top, you can see all these options: AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and styling. We need to fill in all these details to create this AI agent. I'm going to click on this AI instruction and select the instruction type as AI agent. As soon as I select this, the instructions are automatically added. You can add the instructions according to your choice and preference. And then we have this AI configuration. The first one under this is temperature. Set how the creative AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So if we go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how this AI is answering will enhance. So I'm going to keep it as 0.7. The AI to use will be OpenAI and the model will be GPT-4o Mini. Then we we have this API key. We need to enter this API key. Now to get this API key, a hyperlink is provided in the help desk, and if I click on this, I will be landed towards the API's key page of OpenAI. Now on the top you can see this create new secret key. First you have to click on this. You have to name this key. So let's say the name is test. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all, and then you simply have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and paste that over here. Here, as I have already an existing API key, I am on the paid account of OpenAI, and it is very necessary that you also have the paid account of OpenAI. I'm going to enter my API key. After entering the API key, I simply have to click on this connect, and you will see OpenAI key saved successfully. So here we have saved this key. Under this API key, I have this AI assistant settings. If you want to provide the header message and the footer message, you have to toggle on these buttons, enter the message, and it will start displaying. I'm going to toggle this off as I do not require this. Then we have the stop keyword. Now when the user do not want to get the replies from the AI agent, they can send this particular keyword and my AI agent will stop replying. So you simply have to enter that particular word and then press on this enter, and in this manner you have added that particular stop keyword. If I scroll down further, we have this retry attempt. So when the AI agent wills to respond, number of retry attempts which are given is this retry attempt. You can increase the attempt according to your choice and preference. The valid range is 1 to 10. For now I'm going to toggle this off. We have this fallback message. So in the fallback message I have entered, I'm here to assist with questions related to company information or support. If you have any question about a service or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. So here I'm going to send this fallback message, but when your AI agent is not responding, what you can do, you can add the contact details of the company information. So if the queries are not resolved, at least the detail will be sent to that particular user and they can contact you. We are done with this first step. Moving on towards the next, which is this knowledge source, which is the very most important part of creating this AI agent. With the help of this knowledge source itself, you guide your AI agent to respond to the customers in the particular manner with the particular knowledge or the information about your business. So over here I'm going to click on this cloud. I'm going to select the knowledge base, and then I'm going to click on this open, and in this manner I'm going to upload this knowledge base which I have created. File uploaded and proceeded successfully. Now here I have created this document. I'm going to open this. And over here you can see the golden moments, occasion management service, customer support and sales. I have the company information and the contact details, the cities in which the services are provided, all the products and the services, and everything which I am going to provide in my business. I have provided a very detailed information in this particular document, and I have uploaded the same document in my AI agent over here. So you have to create a very detailed knowledge base, provide all the information, and based on the information which you are going to upload and provide here, your AI agent is guided to respond to your customers in that particular manner with that particular information which it has. So moving on towards next, we have this assistant interface. If you want to provide the heading, you can do that. If you want to remove, you can do that, and it will start displaying. You can also provide the subheading, and if you want to keep it, you can keep it. Then we have this initial messages with the help of which your AI agent is going to respond. You can enter 2 initial messages. Then we have this enable by powered by Pabbly. If you want, you can disable this. I'm going to keep it enable. Then we have this footer text where I have added the privacy policy, and in the footer link I have added a link to privacy policy. Then we have this user first message. I have entered I need help. You can enter this according to your choice and preference, but it is not necessary that whenever a customer enters this I need help, only then my AI agent is going to respond. It is going to respond or get triggered on any message sent by the user or the customer. Moving on towards the final part, which is the styling. Here I have selected the theme mode as light. You can select it as dark also, and it will start showing over here. I'm going to select the theme mode as light. Then we have this assistant shape. You can select it as square, rounded square. I'm going to keep it as circle. Then we have this background color, text color, button color, chat bubble color. You can select this according to your choice and preference. Then we have this header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture. So just in the manner that we have uploaded the knowledge base, you can upload these pictures also. Moving on towards the final part, over here we are done creating this AI agent. We have to toggle on this button to keep this active, and then we have to save this. If we do not save this, all this will be lost. Now you can also embed this AI assistant to your website by clicking on this embed. You can use this code and enter that to your website, and whenever someone clicks on that, they will be redirected towards that chat. Now we have to learn how we can enable this AI assistant to a particular chat, to a particular group, or to all the contacts. For that, on the left hand side we have this inbox. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Now over here, this is my chat. I'm going to simply toggle on this button, choose AI assistant, select the AI assistant which I've created, and then save this. And in this manner, I have assigned this AI assistant to this particular chat. But doing this to a particular chat and manually is a very logical manner, and that's why what we can do, we can create a group of contacts or assign AI assistant to all the contacts. For that, on the left hand side, we have this option of settings. We are going to open inbox settings in a new tab. Here I've landed towards the inbox settings. If I scroll down, I have this option of AI auto replies. I have to enable this AI auto replies and then have to select the list. Let's suppose I'm going to select a random list in which I have added some contacts like marketing, and then I'm going to select an AI assistant for that. I'm going to add the more rules, and then I'm going to select all the contacts. Here we have this option of all the contacts, and then you can select this same AI assistant or the AI assistant which you have created. You can select that particular AI assistant, and after doing this, you simply have to save this, and you will see the particular AI assistant will be selected or assigned to that particular list, and that particular AI assistant, whichever AI assistant you have selected for all the contacts, will be assigned to all the contacts. So this is how we have created this AI agent. Now we are going to test this for the last time. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and send a message. Do you do hotel room decoration? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the response. So if I receive the response, this is going to show us the AI agent which we have just created in this video is working fine. And it says, yes, we do offer hotel room decoration. We can decorate hotel rooms, resort and banquet halls. Just make sure to get the necessary permission from the venue and provide us with the room number or venue access before the setup. If you have specific occasion in the mind, feel free to share. So this is how we have created this AI agent, and it is working fine. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.